the Canon EOS R1 lab test. What can I say? If you really want to see the best camera that Canon ever produced, I think you should really look at this lab test. When I see the results, I really want to touch again this camera, go out and film with this, because at the end, the performance of the EOS R1 is better than the EOS R3 and also better than the EOS C400 camera, which is a dedicated cinema camera made by Canon. So the rolling shutter is better, the Canon RAW is less noisy, and you have more dynamic range. Even the exposure latitude, we have like one stop more, and that means that it's really almost in the same level as the Sony A9 III, also the Panasonic Lumix S1 II. So all in all, I think Canon really did a good job, and I really hope that the next circle of cinema cameras, they will consider to actually use the same sensor. So depending on what you want, and by the way, from the comments that we are getting, people that are actually using the camera can back our claim that this camera is working really well in terms of everything what we just said, dynamic range, latitude, and rolling shutter. I mean, it's not a global shutter, of course, so don't expect it to do what it cannot do, but with such a low numbers, I think it's very impressive. Yeah, we
so
have
8.3 million.